How to disable liquid glass in iOS 26. If you have recently updated to iOS 26 and noticed the new liquid glass effect on your iPhone's interface, that glossy reflective animation across wallpapers and icons, you might be wondering how to turn it off. Unfortunately, right now Apple does not allow you to disable liquid glass. There is no option in settings or display preferences to remove it. It is built directly into the new design language of iOS 26 and users don't have any manual control over it. But here is what you can do. Open the settings app, then scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, tap on the software update, then simply update to latest version. Apple has not added a toggle for it yet, so you will need to wait for the next iOS update where Apple is expected to include more display customization options. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.